How's it going, everyone? Finance 101 here. I'd just like to say a big welcome to this brand new channel. This is the first video that's going to ever be uploaded on this brand new channel. Just a quick brief description of what this channel is going to be all about. This channel is going to be related to money, how to make money, how making money works on YouTube, the best ways to make money on YouTube, how much you can get paid on YouTube for a certain amount of views, and just money related things in general. Just a bit about myself to keep you all updated. I have another YouTube channel which has well over 100,000 subscribers, and I'm going to be using that channel's analytics and statistics to show you on this channel how much money you can make on YouTube. You can probably find out what my other channel is just by recognising my voice or using some of the text on screen. Some of it's going to be blurred, but you can probably find it out. But for the time being, I'm not going to tell you what the other channel is. But just basically anything you need to know or anything you want to know about how to make easy, quick money on YouTube is going to be on this channel. The first video, which is the video I'm going to tell you today, I'm going to jump straight into something quite cool and show you how much money you'd make off a video on YouTube that has 50,000 views. Now I've got probably over 100 videos with over 50,000 views on my other channel. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try and find 2 or 3 videos which has about 50,000 views. We're going to see how much money they made. We're going to see how much money they made with multiple ads, with one ad over 10 minutes, below 10 minutes and stuff like that, to give you a brief idea of the money behind YouTube. Would just like to say, because this is a brand new channel, please click the subscribe button if you haven't already. In the future, at some point on this channel, I'm going to be making videos showing you how much money I made from over 30 million views on YouTube. Just imagine how much money is to be made off 30 million views, and I'm going to show you all exactly how much money is going to be made. But that's in the future. For now, just subscribe for more money related videos. So this is the other channel's analytics here. I've just set it to custom. This is today. You don't see the money that I've made today. For some reason it doesn't update, but today so far it's about 10 o'clock in the morning. I've already had 12,000 views on that channel. Not brilliant. I'm happy with it, but we're going to jump straight into it. So here we have a video of mine on my other channel which has 53,000 views. The video is only 7 minutes long. Now, just to make you all aware, if a video is over 10 minutes long, you have the ability to put multiple ads on it. Mid-roll ads. You'll see YouTubers like Morgs have millions of them. This video isn't over 10 minutes long. It's only 7 minutes and it has 53,000 views. And from this video, I've made $76, which is about £50. On average, for this video, which is under 10 minutes, I've got about £1 per 1,000 views. We can see that the average watch time is actually only 2.5 minutes, or just over 2.5 minutes, which is actually pretty bad. Considering the video is actually only 7 minutes long, this is nearly 40% view watch. And this video in question was talking about an update of a game. So it's the type of video where if once people get the information they want, they will click off. But because this video is under 10 minutes long, they don't have to watch for very long to get to the only ad. So the way I've experienced it, if a video is under 10 minutes long, it doesn't matter how much watch time you get, because once they're watching it, they've already seen the first advertisement, which I get paid for. So this is the first video we've looked at, 7 minutes long, 53,000 views, and it gave me $76, which is about £1 per 1,000 views, or $1.50 CPM. CPM is how much money you get per 1,000 views. And bearing in mind, this other channel is a gaming channel. Gaming channels don't have the highest CPMs available. Typically, you're looking between $1 and $2 or £2 per 1,000 views. And this is a prime example. On average, a YouTuber, just like myself, would get about $50 to $80 per 50,000 views. Let's have a look at another one. Now this is another video here which also has 53,000 views, or just under 53, 52.5. Now for this video, this one's over 10 minutes, but I don't think I put mid-roll ads in it. I don't usually like to do this. So there's only one ad on this video, but for 52,000 views, I got $64. So it's basically the same as the other one. About a £1 to £2 per 1,000 views. What you'll see on this channel is probably the average of a normal YouTuber, which is why this video should be quite good for you, because seeing these statistics, this is on average what a YouTuber would get. So this is another example, 52,000 views, I got paid $60 to $70. And another example here, this is another interesting one. This video has 56,000 views, so also in the 50,000 view range, but for this video I made over $100 from 56,000 views. So compared this to the last one, I made nearly double as much money from this video as the other one, but for the same amount of views. Now if we have a look, this video is actually 17 minutes long, so at some point there'll be a mid-roll ad in this, and you can see the difference it makes just by having 1 or 2 mid-roll ads. A mid-roll ad, as I said, is a second advertisement or even a third one within the video or at the end. The second 50k video I said only made about $60. This one's made over $100, but for the same amount of views. The difference is massive from being over 10 minutes long. So to put it short, for 50,000 views on YouTube, if it's below 10 minutes and it's only got one ad, you're probably looking between $50 and $70 at the most. But if it's over 10 minutes long and you've got a second ad, cheeky second ad or two in there, you could be looking at over $100 for just 50,000 views. Just a quick other example here. This is an interesting one. This video is actually only 5 minutes long, so it's one of the shortest 50,000 view videos I have. 5 minutes long. For 58,000 views, I got $53. So at the very least, you're probably looking about £1 or $1 per 1,000 views, even if the video is only 5 minutes long, as you can see. So what I've noticed on YouTube, the longer the video is, regardless of if it peaks over 10 minutes or not, you may still make a bit more money if it's just a bit longer. So I hope this video has been interesting to you all to see the actual background of making money on YouTube. I know not many people do this, so that's why I've started this second channel, to just have a load of money related stuff, because it's a topic on YouTube which not many people like to talk about. I personally don't mind it, so that's why we're doing it. In the future on this channel you can expect videos on how much you make from 100,000 views, 500,000 views, 1 million views. I have a video with I think nearly 4 million views. That's my best video, so I will show you all how much money I made from that one video with 4 million views. And then if you're all interested, we can see how much money I made on my entire channel with nearly 30 million views. So if you're interested in seeing how much money I made for 30 million views for the full channel, make sure you click the subscribe button on this channel, and we'll get to that at some point. On screen right now you can see just one of the videos that got a decent amount of views as mine, 700,000 views. I've blurred out how much money I made because you're not going to see just yet. You'll have to wait for a future video. But you can also expect on this channel videos about how you yourself can make the most money possible on YouTube, how you can get into it, how you can grow your channel, and how you can do well. For now guys, please leave a like if you've enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't already for more finance and money related videos, all to do with making money on YouTube and in real life. I'll see you all later.